Hi guys, we're now at day 4. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to insert media such as videos and sounds, and also importing YouTube video. So again, we will focus on inserting video and sound and also importing a YouTube video in our page. So make sure that you have this sample file for MP4 and MP3. So let's get started. Again, the MP4 and MP3 must be um, placed in your working folder. So let's start with inserting video. Just write video. So this is basically the syntax for inserting video. And then let's try to specify the file name of our MP4. And don't forget to enclose that one with double quotation. And then we'll delete the unnecessary lines here. Okay, so we've already seen the video in our preview window. So it seems that the screen is quite big, so let us adjust the width and the height of the screen. Okay, 300 would be enough. Then we'll indicate there or include attribute autoplay, so that once the page is open, automatically the video will start. So that's how we insert the video. And what about the audio? Okay, just write audio and then specify the file name of the MP3. Okay, and then for you to see the control, you write control. So the control, you can see the play button and the mute button. So if you wanted the music to play as the page is open, then you have to write autoplay. And you can also include muted so that you can mute the music or play the music. So that's how you insert audio in the page. Okay, let's move to inserting video from the YouTube. So this time we will use the iframe. Okay, so in the iframe you can set the width and the height. So you have there the empty iframe, and then we're going to get the link or the URL and insert that to source attribute. So this time we are only after of the video ID, so we're gonna delete unnecessary value there, and then you write embed, and then slash, then the video ID. So you can also change the width and the height if you want to. So this is the sample video from YouTube, and we were able to insert that in our page. So that's it for inserting video, audio, and importing video from YouTube.